fireworks. Let's go. Oh yeah. Woo. Woo. I'll post it on YouTube also. Oh my goodness. Whoa, that was huge. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa. Oh. Whoa, that's huge. Woo. Oh. Woo! You could also probably hear these when you're at your house. I could hear like, you know, like the pounding or whatever, or like vibrations. You hear them. Woo! I can always hear them. Here's how I'm watching fireworks of the Cougers game. Oh yes. Woo! Oh yeah. Woo! That is so huge. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Woo, woo. Whoa. Woo. Pew, 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 pew. Oh gosh. Woo. This is gonna be my new YouTube video. Putting on YouTube. Woo! Oh, whoa. Whoa. Sometimes fireworks scare me. Sometimes. When they're super loud. But it's okay. I'm fine. Peace sign, yo. Whoa! Holy cow! That is loud! Woo! Where's a Pokemon ball? Oh my goodness! Woo! Hello! Peace sign. This is way better than 4th of July. Oh my goodness. Yes. Way better than 4th of July. Yes! Woo! So bright. Oh. Whoa. So awesome. Bro, let's get it. Oh yeah.
Somewhere? Yeah.
Literally. Awesome.
It's gonna blow up the sky!
Woo! It always, every time I see fireworks, it always looks like it's coming at you. It's crazy. So much smoke in the air, dang. Yeah.
Oh, one just landed in right here on the
Whoa! Yes, let's go. Woo! all of them. Wow. Ooh. Whoa, 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 this is so loud. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Woo! Woo! Y'all are seeing this? Oh yeah. Y'all can't see fireworks, just look on my channel, yo. Subscribe, yo, and leave a like or comment. Cause I'm putting this on my YouTube channel. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Way better than 4th of July, because 4th of July sucked. This is really, really late. So, but it's fine. Woo! Let's go! Woo! Oh gosh, it's so loud. Jeez. So pretty! Woo! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Dang. So pretty. Y'all are seeing this. Woo! Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. There it goes. Yes! Let's go! Woo! Yeah! Let's go. Peace sign. Let's go. Woo! Yes! Y'all saw that. Let's go. Alright, y'all. Bye. Peace. Pretty sure that was it. Peace. Like and subscribe. Hopefully you loved that. Bye. Anyway, bye.